Hey everyone, Michael Klepik here, your friendly air purification expert. Today, we're diving into the world of odor scrubbers. You know, those magical devices that make sure the air smells fresh and clean, even when your facility is dealing with some pretty funky fumes. From wastewater treatment plants to food processing facilities, odor scrubbers are your go-to solution for eliminating those unpleasant smells. Let's break down their design, applications, and why they're an essential tool for many industries. And as always, I'll add a little humor to keep things fresh, pun intended. What is an odor scrubber? First off, let's define what an odor scrubber actually is. In simple terms, it's a system that removes odors from industrial exhaust gases before they're released into the atmosphere. The scrubber works by neutralizing, absorbing, or chemically altering the smelly compounds in the air, making them less pungent or entirely odorless. Odor scrubbers are typically wet scrubbers, meaning they use a liquid, usually water or a chemical solution, to scrub the odors out of the air. Depending on the type of odors being removed, different chemicals may be used to react with and neutralize the specific compounds causing the smell. First off, let's define what an odor scrubber actually is. In simple terms, it's a system that removes odors from industrial exhaust gases before they're released into the atmosphere. The scrubber works by neutralizing, absorbing, or chemically altering the smelly compounds in the air, making them less pungent or entirely odorless. Odor scrubbers are typically wet scrubbers, meaning they use a liquid, usually water or a chemical solution, to scrub the odors out of the air. Depending on the type of odors being removed, different chemicals may be used to react with and neutralize the specific compounds causing the smell. Design of odor scrubbers. So what does an odor scrubber actually look like? Picture a big cylinder or tower with various layers of packing material inside, kind of like a giant high-tech sponge. The design can vary, but most odor scrubbers consist of the following key components. Inlet duct. This is where the smelly air enters the scrubber. It's connected to the source of the odor, like a factory or plant, and carries the air into the system for treatment. Spray nozzles. These nozzles spray the scrubbing solution, usually water or a water chemical mix, into the airflow. The solution captures the odor-causing compounds as the air passes through. Packing material. The packing inside the scrubber increases the contact surface area between the gas and the scrubbing solution, making the system more efficient. Materials like ceramic or plastic are often used here. Liquid recirculation system. The scrubbing solution is collected at the bottom of the scrubber and recirculated to minimize waste. In some designs, fresh solution is continually added, while used solution is filtered or treated for reuse. Mist eliminator. As the gas leaves the scrubber, there's often some mist or droplets of the scrubbing solution still in the air. The mist eliminator removes these droplets to make sure only clean, dry air exits. Exhaust outlet. This is where the clean, odor-free air is released back into the environment. After passing through the mist eliminator, the air is free from smells and ready to be vented out. Applications of odor scrubbers. Odor scrubbers are used in a wide range of industries, from food production to wastewater treatment. Anywhere you've got gases or vapors that can cause foul odors, an odor scrubber is your best friend. Here's a quick rundown of some of the most common applications. Wastewater treatment plants. Wastewater facilities are notorious for unpleasant smells. An odor scrubber can neutralize hydrogen sulfide, H2S, and other gases that cause that rotten egg smell. It's not just about making things smell better. It's also about keeping the air safe to breathe. Food processing. From fish processing plants to meat packing facilities, certain food production processes can produce strong odors. Scrubbers help remove volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and other substances responsible for those smells. Chemical and petrochemical industries. Chemical plants often produce byproducts that can give off foul odors. Odor scrubbers can handle a wide range of smells, including ammonia, sulfur compounds, and other noxious gases. Solid waste facilities. Landfills and recycling plants deal with decaying waste and all the wonderful aromas that come with it. Scrubbers can neutralize methane and other compounds, to keep the surrounding air fresh. Pulp and paper mills. Pulp and paper production can create some very strong, unpleasant odors, often caused by sulfur compounds. Odor scrubbers keep these under control, making the surrounding environment more pleasant for workers and nearby communities. Advantages of odor scrubbers. So, why are odor scrubbers such a great investment for your facility? Let's look at some of their key advantages. Improved air quality. The most obvious benefit is cleaner, fresher air. Odor scrubbers help maintain a more pleasant environment for workers and nearby residents, reducing complaints and improving public relations. Regulatory compliance. Many industries have strict regulations when it comes to air quality and emissions. Odor scrubbers ensure you meet local environmental standards, avoiding fines and penalties. Health and safety. Odor-causing compounds aren't just a nuisance, they can also pose serious health risks. Gases like hydrogen sulfide and ammonia are toxic at high levels, so removing them from the air is critical for workplace safety. Cost-effective odor scrubbers are relatively low maintenance and cost-effective compared to other air purification methods. Their ability to recycle the scrubbing solution also helps keep operating costs down. Versatility. Whether you're dealing with acid gases, organic compounds, or sulfur odors, odor scrubbers can handle a wide range of pollutants. Their customizable design makes them suitable for a variety of applications. And there you have it, folks. That's the lowdown on odor scrubbers, what they are, how they work, and why they're such a vital part of industrial air purification. Whether you're keeping a wastewater plant from stinking up the neighborhood or making sure your food processing facility smells as fresh as the products it puts out, odor scrubbers have got you covered. As always, I'm Michael Klepik, your air purification expert, reminding you to keep the air clean and the smells neutralized. If you're interested in learning more about how odor scrubbers can help your facility, feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep it fresh, literally.